New information is out detailing what prompted the FBI to search former President Donald Trump's Florida home. A US judge has released a redacted version of the affidavit the Justice Department used to obtain the warrant to search the property. It shows Donald Trump kept top secret and highly classified files, including information on the identity of foreign undercover sources.
Startling new details about the hundreds of pages of documents former President Trump kept at Mar-a-Lago for months as the National Archives tried to get them back.
The top secret stuff and compartmental can get people killed. It is completely alarming.
The now unsealed affidavit revealing 14 of the 15 boxes the archives retrieved in January 2022 contained classified information, 184 unique documents in all, 67 marked confidential, 92 marked secret, and 25 marked top secret, including documents with markings like HCS, particularly alarming to intelligence experts.
The HCS stuff basically means that there's information in those boxes in the basement of Mar-a-Lago that pertain to or possibly came from human sources. They usually get imprisoned, and if it's in a place like Russia or any other authoritarian society, they're oftentimes simply executed. That type of information is just incredibly sensitive.
The Justice Department redacting pages of information from the affidavit in order to protect witness information and other key details from the ongoing criminal investigation into classified material at Mar-a-Lago. In particular, prosecutors writing in their legal memo to the judge, information in the affidavit could be used to identify many, if not all, of these witnesses. If witnesses' identities are exposed, they could be subjected to harms including retaliation, intimidation, or harassment, and even threats to their physical safety.
At the end of the day, this is probably a net plus for the government. The judges found that they have excised all information that would compromise sources and methods or that the Justice Department would be concerned about.
But left unredacted is an email Trump attorney Evan Corcoran sent to the National Archives in May, claiming Trump had the authority to keep the papers at his Florida home after he left office, saying Trump has absolute authority to declassify documents, and presidential actions involving classified documents are not subject to criminal sanction. But DOJ investigators weren't deterred, saying there was probable cause to believe that additional documents that contained classified NDI or national defense information, or that are presidential records subject to record retention requirements, currently remain at Mar-a-Lago, and there is probable cause to believe that evidence of obstruction will be found.
What is a good explanation for why really anybody, but certainly a former president included in that group, would want this stuff or have this stuff, stored in the basement?